Hey, what's up, Intersection Church? We are at VBS week number 5, or weeknight number 5, Friday night. 5. Yeah, it's been a long week, but thanks to the kids, we have raised how much, Jen?
Over $300 for Unlimited, and 10% of that is going to go to Speed the Light missions for our youth group.
Which is fantastic. So because the kids raised so much money, Pastor Jen and I got turned into human hot dogs.
And as you can tell, the kids doused us with ketchup, mustard, and relish. You know what? It's a great opportunity to give to the Unlimited Fund because you know what? We're going to expand the kingdom of God. We hope you'll give this Sunday and months to come. God bless, guys.
All right, have a good one. We love you.